If you need to run a search and look for entity-owned properties, I am going to show you how to do that right now. So all you need to do is simply come up here. You can just put in a zip code, pull down to that particular city, and then come over to the More Filters tab right here and click on it. And then what you can do is just click on the Public Records tab, because you don't really care if it's for sale or not. And let's just say that we are searching for all properties. Scroll down, and let's just say that I want to find every single property within the zip code that is an LLC. Simply type in LLC and click Update and Search. And I can see that there are 1,843 properties that are in the name of an LLC. And then if I want to further refine that, just come back over to the More Filters tab. Maybe I just want single family. I can update my search. And now I have 1,042. So now what I can do is I can click on the property, and I can scroll down to the property ownership information. And I will see that this is listed in the name of an LLC. I can see how long they've owned it. And you can do the same for other entity types.